Hey there everyone, it's Oliver Adventure. I'm so excited, guys. I'm going to give you a tour of my 5x8 cargo trailer camper conversion. I gave you guys a sneak preview of it one night. Now we're going to do it during the day so you can see everything in it. Okay, so this was a ramp door version, and there's a reason why I wanted a ramp door version of a cargo trailer. My mom is 81 years old, and she uses a walker, so I built this for her personal camper to pull behind the van so she can go with me on my travels or guests if I'm around my home base and going on weekend trips. So what I did is simply added a wall to the rear here. I installed a storm door. I bought a storm door from Lowe's, and I cut it way down. It took a while to figure it out, but I finally got it to work. And I actually installed a window. There's a window behind the exhaust fan right there. There's a little door for the power cord to run out. There's that right there. Actually, today I'm installing the portable AC unit. I still have the cosmetic work left to do. So that is the vent where the hot air pushes out of the AC unit. So I'm going to be cleaning that up later. As you can see, I got a mess here. Alright, so let's do a walk around of the cargo trailer. I did do a full review on this canopy that I bought, and it works awesomely perfect for the cargo trailer. Keeps the sun off of you, the rain when it rains. Just gotta be careful with the wind. Make sure you got everything tied down good. Okay, so I'm gonna go around the side here. Now I have motion lights, solar motion lights on all sides, all four sides. I have a toolbox on each side. This is a water bottle. I'm gonna have one on each side. That goes right there, straps in with the straps here. There's one on the other side too. So everything straps down and the strap goes around the toolbox just to give it some added support. Now it is screwed down to the wheel well, so they're definitely not going anywhere. I installed a cooler, and it is a lifetime cooler, and it keeps ice for up to 4 days. So it's screwed down there. I'm also going to put a strap on there when I'm going down the road. I have another toolbox on this side, and I will be installing the other water bottle on this side. I'm actually getting a little 12-volt shower head that's going to drop right in the water bottle so I can take a shower outside. Just got brand new rims and wheels put on it. Okay guys, I'm excited, man. Let's go check out the inside of this thing. You're gonna love it, guys. All right. Oh, hold on, man. I just installed something pretty cool. Even installing a doorbell there. I gotta put it right there on the door. I'll do it when I get in there. I'm not sure gonna be able to hear it. It's like a horse. It's a horse doorbell, man. All right, so let's open the door and find out what's inside this thing. Okay, this is the portable AC unit. I just got it roughed in. It's up and working. Cooling things down in here. Let's do that doorbell again, guys. You're gonna love this. There you go. The horse. Right on, cowboys. Okay, guys. There's my bow and arrow. I'm gonna hang that up there. Okay, so here's the window I was talking about. Now it just swings open here. Pretty cool. And I can flip that around. That can be an exhaust fan or blow air in. And that's of course in the fall or the spring, because it is hot today down there in Virginia. Okay, as you can see, well, I got my sensor on the outside under the canopy, but it's pretty high. It's up, it's about 94, 95 degrees here. So under the canopy it's 87. I just turned the AC on, so it's 91 degrees in here, guys. Here's the brand new portable AC unit that I got. I got it set at 69 degrees. I am definitely trying to cool it down in here, man. Oh, that feels great, guys. Feels really good. And let's see what model this is. I'll put a link down in the description. I got it off Amazon. Got my backpack. I got my snorkel and fins there hanging up. We got a cool tapestry up top for the ceiling. These are all my day hike bags. Got another little portable shower to heat up the water. Hang outside. Definitely got my boogie boards, guys. Got my boogie boards there. Got a little pouch there to get everything. Now I am going to add 200 watts of solar panels on top of the roof. So that's the controller right there. This is my kitchen area. It's got a microwave, a hot plate, a little tiny refrigerator. This is my workstation. This is where I'm going to be making all my videos. That's my motorcycle helmet. Now I did make this so I can take things out, but I can definitely fit my dirt bike up in here right in the middle. No problem, man. And if I need more room, I can definitely take out the bed. That's the bed frame and bed. Now when that's out, it's pretty tight in here, so that just goes out at nighttime when you're ready to sleep. Pretty cool. Okay, man, like these are battery operated lights. These are battery operated lights. There's 4 of them. These are LED lights going all the way around. Pretty cool, huh? All right. Okay, now I got my remotes. One's falling off. I'm on the detailing part of this thing, so I gotta glue the magnets on the back of these a little bit better. Whoops, it fell down. There you go. But anyway, I just screwed a magnet strip on there. It's on the back of the remotes. So it just sits in there like that, so none of the remotes get lost. And that's the remote, obviously, to the AC unit. Got some kitchen stuff hanging there. My headphone, my Beats, man, they're hanging up there. Under here is a plastic 3-drawer unit. There's 2 of those. All right, now this area right here is going to be where I'm going to put the house battery to run the solar system. So I'm going to just use a 100 amp hour battery, put it right around this area so it can still have some walking space. Okay guys, hope you like this, man. I'm going to go through, have separate videos of some of the ways, things that I used and how I built them and put them in. But I wanted functionality, man. So everything that I've learned how to do with this stuff, I have learned off YouTube. Thank you, YouTube, and everyone that posts videos. You have saved me thousands of dollars on labor, learning how to do this thing myself, and I love doing it, man. It was so fun. Well, thank you guys. This is Oliver Adventure. My sidekick, Sir Oliver Blue. He is in the house in the AC because it is hot out here. Thanks, guys. Till next time.